everybody, thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to actually be talking about what are the quick ways that you can do to relieve sciatic pain by putting pressure on those particular muscles that oftentimes can be the culprit in giving sciatica. So one of the muscles we're going to be trying to help you guys release are the piriformis muscle, and the second one is going to be your gluteus minimus muscle. So we have our model here, Bonitas, and we're going to walk her through it, how to roll out and release your piriformis muscle. So first thing we're actually going to show you guys where your piriformis muscle is anyway. So what happens is the piriformis muscle goes from the hip joint itself and goes diagonally this direction on you, okay? So when you're rolling, I want you guys to put the roller literally right through here. Now you can use a roller like what we have here. Some people like to use a lacrosse ball. I don't care, it doesn't matter as long as you're putting some pressure on it, right? So again, you want to put pressure right through this area towards the hip joint, right there. Your hip joint's all the way down here. And then that's for the piriformis muscle. For the gluteus minimus, we're actually going to go a little more laterally out here towards the outside of the pelvis here, and just slightly above the hip area. So your hip here is going to go right there, and you're going to try to roll it downward this direction. So let's start with the piriformis first. Right, so we're actually going to have Bonita. With the piriformis, she's going to be rolling on, let's start with the, on this side here so everybody can see. We're going to do this on your left side here in Bonita. So I like to angle, because the piriformis runs this direction on you here. I like to angle the roller just slightly here, guys. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to use two fulcrums. You're going to use your arms and hands here as support, and you're going to use your feet here to roll. So you're going to push with your legs, you're going to straighten your leg out, and you're going to bend your knees, go back and forth like that to really put pressure. Now a lot of times what you can do is that if you feel like you're not putting enough pressure, you can put more weight on this side here by leaning into it to put more stress on that area, okay? So this is going to be more for your piriformis area. Now again, when you're doing this release, exercise, you want to feel it, okay? If you feel like barely any pressure, you're probably not hitting the right area, or you're not putting enough pressure, okay? You want to be you want to have a little bit of the discomfort or a teeny bit of pain when you're trying to release these tight and stubborn muscle. Now we're going to go to the gluteus minimus muscle. We're going to stick with the same side. So with this here, we're going to angle the roller more horizontally this way, or more perpendicular to her legs there, okay? And again, we want her to use this leg here, or one leg, doesn't matter how you stagger it, to push back and forth, okay? And for her, with the gluteus minimus, we're actually going to have her go more on her side. So we're going to have her just kind of roll hip more this direction to roll that area out there more. Again, on the opposite side, it's going to be somewhere right through here, guys. That's where you're going to be trying to release that region for to help with the sciatic nerve pain, okay? Typically, with the sciatic nerve pain, when you have gluteus minimus, it's going to refer literally all the way down to the leg, all the way down to the calf area. Now the piriformis will literally go right into the buttocks area, and it kind of goes down the back of the leg more. And typically it's going to be like an aching, throbbing pain. So when you guys have that, this is one sure way to release it, to help quite a bit with your sciatic pain that you might have. So thanks for joining us, everybody, and please subscribe if you like our content, and please let us know if we can help you guys out with covering any content that you might need. Thanks.